is data, same data. I'm just, for ease of convenience or sake of convenience, I'm using the same data. But let's now say that these are not quarters, but let's say the time period, 12 time periods that we have, are associated with Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 5 days of the week. So essentially we have week 1, week 2, week 1, week 2, and week and 2 days of week 3. So the way we do that is because we have odd number, then it's easy that middle value between the 5 numbers is going to be the 23,000 itself. So we don't need to apply any weights. So I just come across that number and I write my formula. And what it is, as you can see over here, is just the average of all of these 5 numbers. And once I write that, then I just copy it down and I get these numbers. I get all these numbers. And again, notice that I stop my analysis right there because I run out of data. And from here and out, the analysis or the rest is the same. So now I have the seasonalized data. I need to run regression on it. So I go to data, data analysis, regression. I say OK. For my input range, I need to include everything that I have here. For my input range of Y is what I use there. For X, I use my time periods associated with the deseasonalized that I just computed. So that would be periods 3 through 10. I don't have labels included in what I selected, so I do not check off the labels box. For output, I'm going to put my output in starting in this cell, A15, and then I say OK. And the result that I get has intercept. I'm going to copy it up here so I can see it. So I'm going to do the same thing that the book did. I'm going to round those off. So if I round those off, I'm going to get 15,679. So the deseasonalized, I'm going to put the seasonalized demand using regression is going to be in this column. And the way I will do it is it equals my level, which is 15,679, plus my slope. I'm going to just round it off to be 957 times the time period. And I will copy that down this column down for every demand that I have. Now I will compute my seasonal factors by dividing the actual demand. And the way I do that is I divide the actual demand by the regression, the seasonalized demand. I will copy that down. Again, I'm going to go ahead and use the rounded off figures like the authors. So now for days of the week, which are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, for each of those, I'm going to have various seasons. I'm going to have 5 seasons. So I'm going to have seasonal index 1, seasonal index 2, seasonal index 3, season 4, and season 5. And the way I will compute it is all the Mondays. So I'm going to have this one, this one, and this one, 3 Mondays. So it will be equal to, oops, I need to copy that. I forgot to highlight them, so I'll remember which ones those are. Okay. So I'm going to highlight them blue so I can track them. So these are going to be equals 0.48 plus 0.84 plus 1.22. And all of that divided by 3. Now, keep in mind that these numbers are going to be really bogus because there was demand and there was seasonality in this data for quarters, and now I'm forcing this to have demand or for seasonality based on 5 days of the week. So these numbers are going to be bogus. Otherwise, this point, all the Mondays should be similar in magnitude. Like if it's low here, then it should be also low here, and it should be low here. But because I'm using fake data that I just wanted to force into an odd number of periods, I'm getting sort of odd values. So you go down the line and you do the same thing, and let's see, for all the Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So for Mondays, Monday and Tuesday, we have 3 time periods. But look, for Wednesday, we only have one Wednesday and another Wednesday here. Oops, one Wednesday and another Wednesday. So those numbers are the 124, which I'm going to do yellow, and then this other Wednesday, which is 163. So for Wednesday, I would just do summation of 1.24 and 1.63, and then now I have to divide by 2 to get the seasonal index for it. So these are the indexes. And again, you want to round them off to 2. So these numbers would be, if you go down the line and fill all of these, then these would be the numbers that you would do in your calculation. So now for, let's say, Wednesday of week 3, to make a forecast now, you would use your point of intercept, 15,679 plus 957, oops, 957 times, and in this case now we're going to be time period 13. But now we need to re-seasonalize it. We had taken the seasonality out, but now we need to put seasonality back in. And the way we do that, we multiply it by Wednesday seasonal index, which we computed to be 1.44. And then that would be your forecast for Wednesday of week 3. I hope that helps. Thank you.